Hi guys, Joe Luca, Realtor at Remax Preferred, here with a quick look at the average life expectancy of some of the components in the average home. These ages are based on three sources. One, the study of life expectancy of home components by the National Builders Association, the average life expectancies by CDW Engineering, and anecdotal evidence from myself and Hearthstone inspections. These all assume that there is regular maintenance being completed on these items or systems. Okay, let's start at the top. Roof shingles, architectural, will last 25 to 30 years. Three tab shingles, 20 years. Rubber membrane, 20 years. Cedar siding shingles, 15 to 20 years if untreated, 20 to 30 years or longer if treated or painted. Vinyl siding will last 60 years. Aluminum gutters, 30 years. Central AC, the exterior condenser, will last 15 to 20 years, and the air handler, 20 to 25 years. A mini split system, again, the condenser is 15 to 20 years, as is the heat pump. The hot water tank, if you have a tank in your basement to heat your hot water, that's 8 to 10 years. An on demand hot water system, 15 to 20 years. A cast iron boiler will last 30 years, and a gas furnace, 20 to 25 years. Dishwashers, typically 10 years. Disposals, typically 10 years. Gas or electric clothes dryer, 12 years. A clothes washer, 8 years. And an oven or a range or a stove, that will last 15 years. Now, this is based on, as I said, those three sources. My personal experience is longer in many instances for these. I've certainly had stoves and ranges that lasted 20 years. Clothes dryer, I had one that actually took on my first home from that I grew up with that was 30 years old before I got rid of it. And I wish I kept it. Gas or electric dryer, those two, the old style ones, lasted really long. The modern ones today that are more fuel efficient or energy efficient, they typically don't last as long. But hey, I just wanted to give you guys some general information. If you have any questions or thoughts, comment or DM me, or you can call 401 409 5030. Thanks, take care, and have an awesome day. Bye bye.